Forward Hotel Taipei is a 3-star hotel. It is located on Yijiang Street, close to Nanjing East Road and Songjiang Road, and 5 minutes walking to MRT Green Line Songjiang Nanjing Station Exit 1. The hotel is in the business area of Zhongshan District, Taipei. There is a convenience store 7-Eleven right next to the hotel. I booked Superior twin room, 2 twins bed with bathtub and street view for about $100 per night. Weekday price with breakfast buffet. The hotel has 90 rooms, 8 floors tall, with gym laundry room at first floor, breakfast restaurant at basement. The standard check-in time is 3 p.m. Check-out time is 11 a.m. There is luggage storage service at the front desk for customers. Free coffee, tea, and microwave at lobby lounge. As in the Songjiang Nanjing in Taipei City, and this is the chain hotel. And this room is the 2 twin-size bed. So we're gonna start a room tour. So to start from here, this is the closet. That's the closet. So you got the closet, you got the water bottle, the safe, and the refrigerator. And here is a table and with the outlet. And then this is the street view. And we got 2 twin beds. And then that's also the phone and the outlet. And here is the TV. TV is not a smart TV, it's just a regular TV. And let's go to the bathrooms. So in the bathroom, we got bathtub, we got shower, they're separate. And we have the body wash and the shampoo. And here's the hair dryer, and this is the toilet. The toilet is the electric toilet. And for the toothbrush and other supplies, we need to go to the front desk to get it. After staying at Hotel Taipei for 3 nights, here are my ratings of this hotel from 1 to 5. Location 4 out of 5. Wi-Fi quality 5 out of 5. Cleanliness 4 out of 5. Comfort level 4 out of 5. And value for money 5 out of 5. The cons for Hotel Taipei are that you have to walk downstairs to the basement for breakfast without elevator, and 100 Taiwan dollars for using washer or dryer. The pros is the great price including breakfast buffet. If you like this video, please give us thumbs up, subscribe the channel, press the bell button so you get notified when we update the channel. Please also follow us at IG and Facebook.